Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about HTML and CSS, and also I'm going to show me project what I'm running in HTML and CSS. Let me tell you what is HTML first. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Markup language it means nothing but it marks the language by using tags. Tags always comes under opening tag and closing tag. Some tags does not need any closing tag because it comes itself a closing tag, like an image tag and a break tag. It both comes under single tag. It have a closing tag itself, and with the help of HTML we can create our own browser. We can create the content inside the website by using HTML. Why we are using CSS? Let me tell you why we are using CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. It is a language designed to simplify the process of making web page. Now we can see in this web page we can see here. mm, This image is they display this image in particular size, and we can see this is in bold, this is in some color. We can change the colors and position by using CSS. My project also have done something by using CSS. While I'm explaining the CSS program, we can you understand what is CSS and why we are using it. By seeing this content, you can clearly understand what is HTML and CSS. First, why we are using HTML means uh, by using HTML tags, the browser clearly understands how to display the content and how to structure the web page. Because of this, we can neatly present our web page presentations. Here, what is my markup language? Markup language. HTML use tags enclosed in angular brackets to define element. HTML tags always comes with angular bracket like this. Without this, the browser cannot understand that it is a tag or not. Tag usually comes with a opening tag and closing tags. Some tags are also comes with only one tag, which includes a closing tag itself. It has many feature in it. We can see it later. Um, by using HTML, I also tell that web page can browser can easily understand the concept we are going to show. This is the structure of HTML. First is HTML, doc type HTML head, body, close tag body. In this body content, what we are going to put, it is going to display in the web page. By mm, when you done some projects, you can understand what I am telling now. Next, what if we can see what is CSS? CSS, Cascading Style Sheet. It is a style sheet language used to describe the presentation. By using CSS, we can style our web page. By using style tag, you can include style CSS in many ways. There are some ways where I will show you later. Okay, I will tell you. You can understand. There are three ways to insert CSS. One is external CSS, internal CSS, and inline CSS. What is external CSS means? We create one file in HTML and one other file in CSS. Then we link the CSS file in HTML by using link. Here you can see we can created our CSS style in another file, and we are joining it in link it in HTML tag. This is external link CSS. And internal link. Internal link means under the head tag we create a style. Under the head tag we create a style tag, and we include our CSS style inside the style tag. It is known as internal CSS. Inline CSS. Because inline CSS, we create an attribute. An inline style may be used to apply a unique style for the single element. In first tag, we create a style and give a color, text, body, and etc. etc. We can style by using inline CSS. These are all the types of CSS. These are all the way to insert a CSS in HTML. Now I'm sure that you will understand what is CSS and HTML. Let me explain my project. And this is my assignment, which is a basic level assignment. I'm going to show you how I created this by using HTML and CSS. I inserted the image, it should need to be shown in this way. And when I move the cursor to this, the cursor need to be changed into hand sign. I'm going to tell you how I have done this. Okay. Here you can see that is a doc type HTML, which means I'm telling the browser it is a HTML document. In head tag, we have some information about HTML, some information, small information about HTML tags and elements, how it need to be done. This link refers here I link the CSS file in this page. Next, I have a one div class. Why I'm using this main div class means I'm going to control another other child div classes by using this main class. Here you can see I give flex here by using this flex display flex element display flex CSS style. That's why it's showing this page in split. And if I disable this line, uh, here you can see if I disable this line, the browser will show the this element like this. It comes now. It not comes in beside the program. It comes downs the page. So that we are using div flex. If you use this display flex, it will flex the program and display our content in neat way. Okay, well, that's why we are using two div main classes. Um, Here you can see I use h3 to display this head tag. Not a head tag, it's like a heading tag. It is a paragraph here. The what is going to be in content. Here is a UL tag. Unordered list and unordered list. I want a content to be unordered list, so I'm using unordered list. Mm, For the button, I given a class like button and become a member. It's a content inside the button. Here the div, first sub one div class is ending here itself. So that's why the browser shows the first content in the left side and the another content going to be shown in the right side. The another content is like it's also like about the edging too and paragraph. Here I inserted the image like with the 50 and with 250. I also give here a width for the image. You can see maximum width is 750 pixel and height is. Let me see if I remove this. What is going to happen? Yeah, this is what is happened when I remove this. So that's why we need it. Okay. Next is the section class sub3. Why I'm using this section class sub3 means here in this display you can slightly see some changes. These are all in dark colors, but this content is in some dim color. So that's why I use it another section class. By using the section class, I gave some changes in here. I only give the color for the sub3 class. I don't change anything. I only change the color for it. So that's why I displayed in some different way. Okay, this is for the below button. Here the first all the main div is the main div is end here and the sub 2 div is end here. Now next I created another div which is shown here. The another div is shown here in the under the web page. Let me explain you all the CSS classes. Okay. With 100 is for the full view of the web page and display effects I already explained to you. Subbound background color with the height. Mm, there is no special thing in this padding. I mean show padding. By using this padding tag, uh, we can see there is some distance between the box up, down, and here. For the space between the some contents, we use padding tag. For that padding tag, by using padding tag, we create some space between the content and the margin. There's a font size, and these are all the things I have done in my assignment. I hope you all understand it. Thank you.